My name is Nalini and I live in Vancouver, BC. This whole millet journey started in the year 2020, around March, April. It's been 5 years since we are on this diet, and I'd like to give you a brief history of why we went on to this diet. Uh, 7 years prior to that, my husband fell sick. He was diagnosed with sepsis and he was in intensive care for 3 weeks. And later, he had a kidney failure too. And he was in the hospital for another 3 weeks. And when they restored the kidney functioning to 65%, they did discharge him. But the whole challenge started at that point of time because he was saying that he was really not keeping well. But then the doctor says his parameters are okay. So it was very, very confusing. And we really didn't know what to do. And they gave him a whole lot of medication in order for his kidneys to function because they restored at 65 it restored to 65% functioning before they kind of discharged him. And they gave him a whole lot of medication saying that he has to take all this medication in order for the kidneys to function well. So he was taking the medication. He was not feeling well because there was a whole lot of disturbance in many parameters in his body, like the blood urea, the creatinine, the EGFR, of course, that's the measuring of the kidney functioning, and then the electrolyte imbalances, the sugar imbalance. He was a diabetic, the BP was off. It was a whole lot of things that, there were so many parameters that were disturbed. And despite taking all the medication, despite none of the parameters really, they were better than when it started when he was sick, but really, you could never say they're normal. But after 3-4 years, we saw the kidney functioning deteriorating. So one day I went to the nephrologist and I said, how come he's taking all the medication and how come his kidney function is deteriorating? He says, okay, well, that's what is going to happen. And afterwards, he'll be on dialysis. And many people on dialysis do lead a normal life. I said, are you kidding me? You're being on dialysis and leading a normal life? That's far from reality. So then when I came out, I told him, you have to try some alternate diet. We've always been wanting to try alternate medicine and diet, but my husband was not too keen. He was into only allopathy. So then we went to India, we tried Siddha, we tried Ayurveda, we tried homeopathy. I follow Isha practices, so I took him to Isha. I tried to introduce some practices. Then in 2019, nothing really helped. I think basically it was helping a little, but nothing really significant. But in 2019, we came across this article about millets and basically the significance of the millets and how, the kind of benefit it has on our body. So in 2019, December, literally we went to India. Then we bought all the 5 millets. I said, I think we should try it. Then when I came back from India, there was this COVID, there was these lockdowns, and my daughter just got back also from India. And then she said, you know what, I know Dr. Satya, who has formed a WhatsApp group. I'll introduce you to him. Maybe he'll guide you in this diet. And that was the best thing that happened. I got introduced and he sent me the whole literature of the millets and what Dr. Kader really, the whole literature and what exactly we need to do in order for for anything to cure. I went through the whole literature. I read every aspect of it and I followed every aspect of it. In 1 year, there was a total turnaround. He was off medication. He was taking insulin injections, guys, not even tablets. He's off insulin. He was off BP. He was off the cholesterol. He was off so many tablets that were just trying to keep everything reversed. And even he got the confidence, okay, this is working, even for him to get he thought, okay, my wife is going to try something and I have no other way but except deteriorate, be on dialysis and one day die. That's a miserable way to live. So, and in the meantime, in 2016, I developed atrophic condition. I suffered 3 years from urinary tract infection. And 2020, Dr. Satya brought Kadarwali onto a call and he asked me to take fermented porridge. I took it for 6 months, only fermented porridge, and what a relief it gave me, the kashayams and the porridge. I really bow to this man, Dr. Kadarwali, who spent 20 years of his life for human well-being to find the right kind of diet for this machine to work well. It's very, very important we eat the right kind of diet, which are the building blocks of your body. And to keep the body healthy is most important. And it can be healthy only if you give the right kind of fuel. And the right kind of fuel comes from Kadarwali's diet. So, and I realized, oh my God, we're eating everything wrong. We're doing everything wrong, making the body sick. Then you're on medication, which further deteriorates your sickness. And really, there was no solution to it. So, I mean, to find a solution and Dr. Satya to guide me in this whole process and my husband coming out and finally living a life, it took 3 years, but all his parameters, whether be it blood urea, be it creatine, be it EGFR, and everything has come back to absolute normal. And guys, really, I was in tears looking at his reports.